Hello, my name is Dhairya Parikh. I hold a master's degree in machine learning and artificial intelligence from the University of Waterloo and have previously worked as a data engineer. With the increasing popularity of large language models and tools like ChatGPT and Claude, the field of machine learning has gained a lot of traction in the past couple of years. So, it's not surprising to see that a lot of people want to transition into this field or just learn more about it. However, a major challenge I have seen people face is getting a single resource to start their machine learning journey. There are numerous informative online resources available, but few offer a smooth introduction to the key concepts in a cohesive way. Another challenge I faced was that most of the resources I found were quite math intensive, which made the overall learning process quite difficult. So, I decided to solve this problem and write a book that introduces machine learning to a reader who is just getting into this field. The key differentiator in my book is that I provide an intuitive understanding of the algorithms in addition to the mathematics, which can help readers who are learning about the algorithm for the first time. Another aspect I focused on is the practical implementation. We will code almost every algorithm we learn and in the simplest way possible, which will help you get hands on experience. So, if you are interested in knowing more about machine learning or you would like to switch careers, seeing how lucrative it is, this is the perfect book for you. Start your machine learning journey today.